The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 feels like a bold statement that Samsung is no longer measuring itself against the idea of a future Apple foldable, but instead fully focused on dominating and defining the category it created. With years of experience refining foldable hardware, Samsung has reached a level of maturity in design, durability, and usability that makes the Z Fold 8 feel less like an experiment and more like the natural evolution of the smartphone. From a slimmer and lighter build to a more reliable hinge, improved display quality, and deeper software optimization for multitasking, everything about the device reflects confidence rather than competition. Samsung's ecosystem advantage, with features that seamlessly connect the Fold to tablets, laptops, wearables, and Windows PCs, further strengthens its leadership. The Z Fold 8 doesn't feel like it's trying to beat Apple to the punch. Instead, it feels like Samsung has already moved ahead, setting the pace for the entire industry while others are still deciding when to enter the foldable race.